How do you fix taskbar hero is crashing on Steam? So first you want to right click on the game and open up the properties, and in the general tab you want to add -dx11 to the launch options, and then go to installed files and verify the game files. And once this is completed, you want to open up your browser and look for redistributables. You can type redist in the search bar, and I will paste this link in the description below so you can go to this link directly, and then from this table here you want to download the 86 installer and the 64, both of them, to install the redistributables. And once you're done, this will require you to restart your computer. So right after the restart, what you need to do is basically check if you have the latest updates for your GPU. You can open up the NVIDIA app or the AMD software depending on which GPU you're running, and then go to the drivers tab, and from here make sure to download and install the latest driver update. And once you're done, all you need to do is right click on Steam, run as admin, and then launch the game from your library, and that should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.